So we were here. Nary a care. Nary a care is when you don't care about any problem. Like you are in zero tension. Okay? Like most of the time we take so many tension, so many burden. If we have exam, then we take tension. Okay? If your best friend is angry with you, then you take tension. If you missed any party or any marriage ceremony, then you take tension. And that you miss the best chance to do your the makeups and to put on new clothes and attend the party and marriage ceremony. So at that time you take tension. So when you say that I don't care about this situation, okay, so this time you can use nary a care. Means I do nary a care about this situation. Like you can see here the English sentence, she walked into the party with nary a care in the world. She walked into the party with nary a care in the world. Means when she means a girl. Okay? She means a girl. It is clear to all of you?
Yes,
It is
clear.
clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
When we use she means a girl, and he means a boy.
Bye.
So she means a girl went to a party. A girl went to a party with any with zero tension. She has no any tension of the world. Okay, so that time we use nary a care. Nary a care. Like the best example I'm giving to all of you, very relatable example. When I give homework every day in the morning, okay, when I give homeworks every day in the morning, Azar react in this way, like, oh, I do nary a care of this homework. She is my friend,
Oh,
what she will do?
sorry.
Sorry. Okay, so this is the best example. When I give homeworks, most of you all, you do the same thing. You do nary a care about the homework. You just have to ignore that. You don't have to do that. If I would talk about Nas do the same. Azra do the same, and
No,
Wasim also do the same. And
sorry.
I won't say anything to Manju because he is very new, and there is also language barrier between us. So I won't say anything to him, and because he will take time to adapt the environment, to adapt us. So that's why I won't say anything to him. But after a week, if he is continuing, then I will also not leave him. I will say do the homework at first. Okay, so Ishak and Shweta, they are very punctual all the time. All right. From Nasra is also from first day. Nasra is also continuous. Okay. Azra and Nas, you don't have to be worried about it. I'm just like it's kind of joke, and I'm just making an environment of funny environment. Okay, don't be worried about it that I am insulting you in the class. I'm just I just got the best chance to give an example to relate you both. Okay, all right. So I think nary a care is clear to all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
clear.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. And you can give any other example. Overwhelm. Next one is overwhelm. This one. Overwhelm. Overwhelm means to feel extremely stressed. To feel extremely stressed, emotional, or overloaded. To feel extremely stressed, emotional, or overloaded. Okay? Means all of a suddenly, when you got so many homework, so at that time you may be overwhelmed. Means uh, overwhelmed means I can say in simply you are so much happy that you are unable to handle the situation, or you are so much sad that you are unable to handle your sadness. That is very simple. Okay, overwhelmed means you are so much anxious, you are so much sad, you are so much in depression, you are so much emotional that you are unable to handle that situation. It's very bad situation for you, so that time we say overwhelm. Okay, like suppose you are doing your college, and all of a sudden you got so many assignments to clear in to complete in 1 or 2 days. So it will be very pressure. It will be kind of very pressure environment. Okay, the day will be very hectic for you. So that time you can say that I feel overwhelmed with too much assignment. I feel overwhelmed with too much assignment. Okay? Or suppose you gave any examination and you expected very nice result, but you didn't get a good result. Unfortunately, you got bad result. So that time you will be in blues. In blues means you will be very sad, and that time you will say that I am overwhelmed because of my bad result. I am overwhelmed because of my bad result. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
You all feel fresh. Rejuvenate means to feel fresh. Here you can see the word rejuvenate, means to feel fresh, energetic, and refreshed again. Like a short vacation can rejuvenate. A short vacation, here you can see the example. A short vacation can rejuvenate your mind. Suppose you have been so tired. You have been so tired with continuously studying. You have been so tired with continuous working of your household chores, and after that you want some relaxation. You want some time to refresh yourself. So at that time, what do we do? We most of the time we go for vacation, we go for any tour. Okay, so at that time, or sometimes we meet with our friend. Like if I would talk about boys, so it is very common in boys when they feel bored and when they feel hectic and when they don't feel good, then they go to their friends, and there is a kind of adda, I can say. They sit together and they take sip of tea, and they talk so much, and in this way they refresh themselves. Okay, and what do we do? Like girls, we mainly are not allowed to go outside. So what do? We take our phone and we chat with our friends, and maybe we will watch some web series or films, and then we will get refreshed. We will get refreshed. Okay, I think the person who is tea lover or coffee lover, so they used to take tea to get refreshed. And if you will talk about me, so I rejuvenate myself by listening songs. When I listen songs, when I listen songs, so I really rejuvenate myself. Okay, so rejuvenate is something that you are refreshing yourself. Suppose you are very tired, your mood is not good, your mood is very bad, you are very tired, you are very anxious, you are in depression. Okay, you are very angry, you are feeling like the world is such a disaster. I don't like the world, I don't like my life. But all of a sudden, you are taking a tea, or maybe you are having biryani, or maybe you are listening song, you are dancing, and after that you feel that you are rejuvenated. You are rejuvenated means you are feeling fresh. Okay, you are feeling fresh inside. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
यस मैडम.
एक बार और आप मुझे एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे.
Okay,
rejuvenate.
all right. Rejuvenate means suppose Shweta, you are doing the class, you are doing this class. Suppose this automatically disconnecting is happening 10 to 20 times with you regularly. Okay, regularly it's happening. So after that, how your mood would be? Your mood will be very bad, like, right? Like you sat for doing your classes, you are very excited that I will do my classes and I will enjoy the class, and you are facing the problem again and again, like continuously your connection is breaking, network connection is
Yeah.
breaking, you are unable to do the classes, you are unable to understand the explanation. After that, in this way, you will see that class has been ended and you got nothing, and you face the you face the disruption 20 to 30 times. So after that, what will you do? Your mood will be very bad. So you will go outside and you will take tea. Maybe you will go outside, you will take tea, and after that, you will face refresh. And maybe you will eat your favorite dish, aloo ka paratha. So you will eat that. And after that, you will feel refreshed. And maybe you told me that you have so many friends, 5 to 6 friends. You have the gang of friends. So you will
Yeah.
go and you will talk with them. You will tell your all the problem. Okay, you will share all the problem that I was very excited, but I faced these kind of problems while doing the classes. So after sharing, we feel a bit lighter. So in this way, you will rejuvenate yourself. Means you will feel fresh, refresh. Okay. Like if I would
मतलब
talk
शॉर्ट
about,
टाइम का ब्रेक या फिर माइंड रिफ्रेश करना इस तरीके.
yeah, mind refresh. You are doing mind refresh, refreshing your mind. Suppose you are studying from a long time, 7 to 8 hours continuously you are studying. So after that, what do? You scroll reels, you watch
Yeah.
reels on the phone. So that is something that rejuvenate you. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
suppose
It's
you
clear.
are in grief, you are in sadness, you are feeling bad, and after that you are taking meditation in the morning, or you are going for a walk. So after doing your morning walk or meditation, you will feel rejuvenate yourself, fresh. Okay.
Okay.
And maybe you are means you have bored for continuously staying in your home, and after 4 to 5 months you are going for a travel, going for a tour. Maybe you are going to your granny's house. So over there you will feel refresh yourself, rejuvenate yourself. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, okay. If you are feeling that, yeah, it's crystal clear, you can say it's crystal clear, or you can say quite clear. Okay. All right. So Manju
Okay.
is
Crystal
internet is
clear.
clear.
Madam,
Okay.
I s-
So after rejuvenate, we have a word that is
Sanity.
sanity. Yeah, sanity. Okay, sanity. Now, what is sanity?
Mental instability.
Yes, mental stability and mentally balanced. Sanity. I'm giving an example to you. Like, suppose as Azra and Naz, and I don't know about Shweta, does she do house chores or not? But I know about Naz and Azra. And
Absolutely. I do.
oh, you also do. Okay.
Yes.
So, and I think Nasra, you also have to do household works.
Yes, ma'am.
Nasra?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
you
ma'am.
also do that. Like washing dishes and cleaning your room, and what can be? Cutting vegetables, washing
Cooking
clothes, doing
some,
all things.
cooking some dessert, cooking
No,
lunch,
मेरा इतना हार्ड
dinner,
नहीं है. मतलब मेरे मन पे डिपेंड है.
cooking
मतलब
chapatis.
सच
and some
हेल्प करना.
and some outside work. ये भी था.
Okay, okay, okay. So, and Manju, do you do your household chores?
madam,
Do you do your household chores?
no, madam.
Like, have you never done cleaning dishes and cleaning the room? Have you never?
My brother, my mother, ma'am, cleaning room.
Oh, your mother does.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So you don't help them?
No, no, madam.
That's not good because you don't have sisters, so you should do that. You should help them.
Yes, ma'am. I will tomorrow. I help you.
Oh, okay. As you told that today also you were helping.
Yes,
Okay,
madam.
that's fine. Okay, so household chores. Yeah, suppose you are already doing household chores and suddenly guest comes at your home. Okay, so after when guest comes home, so burden is increased because you have to do household chores, and along with that you have to care about all the guests. Okay, tea for them and some breakfast, some snacks in the evening. Okay, and what they are saying, how are they, you have to take care of the guests. So it is like you are the burden is increasing. All right, is it really happen to everyone, with everyone?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
I
Yes.
Yeah.
also, everyone
When
means
when they
me
when they
also.
leave for more days,
Yes, and
I irritate.
and more specifically if they have
Because
a
I
child.
love my comfort zone.
Yes, yes. So when guests come, so you have to take care themselves as well. You have to do household chores and you have to take care about them also. So it is really increase your burden, increase your burden. So that time you really pray inside that when the day will come that they all will go from here. Okay. When the day will come that they all will go from here, and when they go, when they leave your house, then you feel that you are free, you feel sanity, you feel relaxed. Okay, you feel sanity, you feel relaxed. I'm not talking about every guest, but sometimes it really happens. Well, guests are blessings, guests are really blessings of God. We shouldn't say like that, but sometimes when you have exams and when you want to be alone, like Shweta said that I always want to stay in my comfort zone. So at that time if some guests comes at your home and you have to give your time, and that time your burden increased, and then you feel like when they will go and I will feel good and my brain will be stable at one place and I will be able to focus at a proper task. Okay, so does it happen to everyone?
Yes, madam. Clear.
Yes.
It
Yes,
happens.
it always happens.
Okay.
सिमिलरिटीज भी नहीं होती हैं और ज्यादा
Shweta, speak in
डिफरेंस भी
English.
नहीं है पर अलग होते हैं.
Shweta, speak in
ओके.
English.
ओके ओके.
From now onwards, I will put a fine.
Both.
Okay, I will note down. I will note down who is speaking in Hindi, and after that, I will put a fine, 5 rupees per talks, 5 rupees per sentence,
Everybody leave the class.
5 rupees per conversation. If you are making any sentence in Hindi, there would be 5 rupees. If per sentence you have to pay, that will be my extra income. Nice.
That's a great idea.
Yes, it is. Okay.
Yeah, yes. Then we are trying
So next one
to
is
speak
Chuck.
more.
Next one is Chuck. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, visible.
Yeah, Chuck, Chuck. Chuck means to throw something away. To throw something away. I'm giving an example to you. Suppose I don't like this book. If I don't like this book, what I will do? I will just in this way throw it. Okay, I will just in this way throw it. So it is chuck. I chuck my book. I can say I chuck my book. Okay? To throw something away, or to quit or discard. Suppose, what I can give an example. Um,
When I clean my house, uh, that's just holding which when I clean my house, some un um, क्या
yeah,
उसको कैसे
try.
बोलेंगे
Yes, you are going well. When
विकास
I clean my house, I chuck the garbage
क्या
outside.
हाँ नो नो मतलब जिसकी मुझे जरूरत नहीं रहती है जैसे कोई चीज
Unnecessary
खराब
things. I chuck unnecessary
unnecessary
things.
items yes when I clean my house I chuck unnecessary items throw from the house
Wow, wonderful. Yes, the best example. Okay, when I clean my house, then I chuck unnecessary items outside or from my home. Okay, like you can see the example. He chucked the old papers into the dustbin. He chucked the old papers into the dustbin. Okay, Nasra and Naz, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, madam.
yes
I I am. I
Yes.
am.
Yes,
I
Manju,
am.
I am.
I am checking a ball. Check. Check is meaning throwing, madam.
Yes, throwing. Synonyms. You can say synonyms. Chuck means
Sure.
throw, to throw something. Here you can see chuck. Iduina Vishayam ni. Okay, all right, no problem. And there is the last one. There is the last one, that is went to. Okay, went to. Went to is very relatable vocabulary that we use in our day to day life every day. Went to. Vent to means to express your frustration or emotion to someone. Okay? Vent to. To express your frustration and emotion to someone. Mm, she vented to her best friend. She vented to her best friend after a bad day. Suppose, uh, like I'm taking an example of Manju. Okay, I'm taking an example of Manju. Manju wants to learn spoken English. Manju wants to learn speaking English, and he joined the class from another state, that is West Bengal. Now he has problem in language. Okay, he has to understand each and everything in English to English. He can't take help from Telugu to English. Okay, so this is kind of problem for her, and maybe after doing continuously the classes, he may be not able to understand each and everything, so he will go to his friend and say that I am unable to understand the classes. So it means he vented to his friend. He vented the problem to his friend. Okay, he expressed his emotion, he expressed frustration to his friend. In the same way, if I would take example of Azra, okay, I am taking an example related to Azra. Okay, let's take an example related to Naz. Azra has been come so many times. So about Naz, if I would talk about Naz, so Naz would be she is very anxious and she is tired of doing household chores, household works. She is very tired. She doesn't want to do more and more household works. So she will be very frustrated with all that. She has to manage studies. She has to manage English classes. She has to manage like the course she is pursuing. So those all homeworks. She has to manage English homeworks, and she has to also manage household chores. So in this way, she will be very frustrated. Now, what would she do? She will go to Azra and she will say that I have tired with all those problems. Now I want to attempt suicide as I don't want to bear and tolerate these all things more and more. So it means Naz vented her problem to Azra. Okay? Naz vented her problem to Azra. Means Naz expressed her emotions and problems to Azra. Am I clear?
Yes.
Earlier I was telling that Bengali is difficult, but now I'm getting that Bengali is far easy than Telugu. Okay. আমি তানা best friend থো তানা বাড়ানি সারে চেজিন্দি. Yeah, it means that you are sad, you are in problem, and you shared with your friend all the things, your emotions. Okay, you shared your emotions, your bad feelings with your friend. It means you vented to your feeling. Okay, you vented to your feeling. So there were only 6 vocabulary that I have completed now. Please tell me, please let me know if there is any confusion to anyone. Any
No
confusion?
confusion. No.
No.
Everything is clear?
Ashia, when you said that I express my feelings with my friend, so network connection they say that line is suitable for this word.
I vented to my friend about network connection. I vented to my friend about network connection because I was unable to do my class
Join the
continuously. Join the class. I was unable to attend the class. So I vented to my friend. Okay. Means the way you say I expressed my problem to my friend. So at that place, at the place of express, you can use vent.
I vented to.
I vented to my friend. I vented my emotion to my friend. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I spoke so much. I spoke continuously. Now it is the time for my resting, and I am giving. I have brought something special for all of you. Okay, count yourself. How many you all are? Azra, Naz, Nasra, Manju, and Shweta.
Five.
Five. Sorry,
Five.
five.
Okay. So there is a conversation. Okay. The 6 vocabulary that you have learned right now. So based on these 6 vocabulary, there is a conversation I'm giving you, and you have to discuss. Okay. Here is mentioned the name Ria and Neha, but you don't have to say Ria and Neha. You will take the name that you all have. Ria and Neha. You don't have to say Ria and Neha. So at first I am calling the name of Manju and Shweta. Okay? Started.
Fine.
All right. Ria and Neha. So Shweta and Manju, you have to do this conversation together. Or by doing this conversation, you will get so many clarification that where you have to use these words much. So Shweta, your expressions and everything is fine, very nice. And Manju, please try to bring expressions. Okay, when you will read the sentences with full expression, it will really nice. It will sound good. Okay. Don't worry, you have to just try. It will be okay. So it was your first time. Now try to read it second time and bring some speed. Shweta, your pace is okay. Your pace is fine. You don't have to speed yourself. But Manju, try to speed yourself. Okay? Try to increase your pace. Okay, start it again.
For me. You know what? I am going to chuck all unnecessary stress. I will finish my work calmly.
That's the spirit. Stress does not control you. You control it.
True. I already feel much better.
All right. Nasra, when you are saying that's the spirit, you can say in this way, that's the spirit. Okay. Pressure, exert force on that's. That's पे ना force दो. That's the spirit. In this way. That's the spirit. Stress doesn't control you. You control it. Like, let me read once. Okay. Well, I am also not good in I can't say I'm like perfect in expression. Okay. I'm just reading, try to understand that. Hey, Neha, do you have a minute? Of course. What happened? You don't look okay. This morning I came to the office with nary a care in the world. I was so relaxed and happy. And now? Now I feel completely overwhelmed. There is too much work, too many emails, too many deadlines. Oh no, that sounds stressful. It is. I feel like I'm about to lose my sanity. I seriously needed a break. So, what did you do? What did you do? It's very like inquisitive question. Okay, like something secret you want to know. Okay, when you want to know something kind of secret conversation, then your expression is like, so what did you do? मतलब आगे क्या? So in this way you can say, so what did you do? I stepped outside for some fresh air. When you are saying fresh air, try to feel the fresh air around your surrounding. I stepped outside for some fresh air. I just sat quietly for 10 minutes. Honestly, it helped me rejuvenate my mind. That's good. Sometimes we just need to breathe. Exactly. And that's why I'm here. Okay, you all are pronouncing here. It's not here. You have to say here. Okay? Exactly. And that's why I'm here. I needed to vent to someone. Well, thank you for listening. Then, anytime, you can always vent to me. You know what? You guys are reading it like simply. You know what? No. You have to bring the expression. You know what? I'm going to chuck all this unnecessary stress. I will finish my work calmly. That's the spirit. Stress doesn't control you, you control it. True. I already feel much better. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, okay, ma'am.
It's clear.
Okay. So now Naz is here. And they are last. Naz and Manju. You both do the conversation and it will be last. Okay? Manju told me yesterday that your class is very long. I don't like that. Okay, read it.
Wait a 5 minutes, madam.
After today's class, he don't say this.
He
He
he will
does
not
not like this class.
he will not say this. He will not say this. Okay?
Okay. He will not say this.
Because you are talking about future.
Future.
Yeah, वो ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा. So he will not say this. Manju, did you say something?
Shall I start?
Madam, 1 minute, madam.
Okay, okay. Okay, let's wait. You know, here in outside, there are so fresh air. Is it same in Asansol?
No.
No, I'm getting the sound like of fresh air. वो जो थोड़ी आंधी तूफान वाली जो होती है. I have to go upstairs. I have to enjoy. For 1.5.
Terrace, madam.
Yes, Manju?
I am presently terrace uppers, madam.
I didn't understand. Anyone is getting?
No.
Will you read?
Yes, madam. I am read. Look,
Yeah.
first.
Yeah, you can start. You can be first.
This is sentence, madam.
This means you are asking the name. Start, Manju. You can read the first sentence like, hey, and she's Naz. You can say, hey, Naz, do you have a minute? And this way you can start. Any problem? Okay, Naz is going to start. Naz, you do that.
Hey Manju, do you have a minute?
Of course, what happened? You don't look okay.
This morning I came to the office with nary a care in the world. I was so relaxed and happy.
And now,
Now I feel completely overwhelmed. There's too much work, too many emails, too many deadlines.
oh no, that sounds stressful. Stressful.
Hmm.
It's I feel like I am about to lose my sanity. I seriously needed a break.
So what did you do?
I stepped outside from sorry. I stepped outside for some fresh air. I just sat quietly for 10 minutes. Honestly, it helped me rejuvenate my mind.
That's good. Sometimes we just needed to breathe.
Hmm.
Exactly. And that's why I am here. I needed to vent to someone. Thank you for listening.
Anytime you can always vent to me.
You know what? I am going to chuck all this unnecessary stress. I will finish my work calmly. Calmly.
That's the spirit. Stress doesn't control you. You control it.
True. I already feel much better.
Okay.
Okay. Done? Okay. Okay, tell me. You want to leave the class or
Yeah,
you want to make
one by one because it's five vocabulary. I'm right.
six?
No, ma'am,
Okay.
5.
Um,
Okay, okay, okay.
anyway,
It's fine.
It's
so
Hmm.
one by one,
not five,
I'll explain.
not
Okay,
five,
okay.
it's six.
It's six. All right. Listen to me. It will be very interesting. I'm taking the name as per the alphabetical order. So at first, Azra.
Oh, alphabetic.
Okay. So at first, Azra. So Azra, you have to use the word. What was it at first? Nary
Nary
a
a
care.
care.
Yeah. Make a sentence by using nary a care.
When I finish my exams, I nary a care
I nary a care. About what?
about about um about
Study.
study.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah. When I
sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Say the sentence again.
Okay. When I complete my exams, I nary a care about study.
Hmm. When I complete my
About my
exam,
study.
yeah, when I complete my exam, I nary a care about my study.
Yes.
Very
Yes,
funny.
yes,
Uh, okay. All right.
yes.
जब मैं अपना एग्जाम कंप्लीट कर लेती हूँ तो मुझे घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरे पढ़ाई का.
That's true.
Yeah. When I complete my
मैंने
exam,
सिर्फ
I nary
मजाक में
a care.
कहा था, बट ये रियली हो गया. मतलब मुझे लगा अजरा नहीं बोलेंगी ये.
Okay. So after Azra, who is coming in alphabetical order?
Naz,
No, it's Manju.
M, N M N के बाद M. So it's
Hmm?
Naz.
No.
Oh sorry.
M
क्या
के M के बाद है ना.
M.
No,
Now I will
no,
teach alphabet to all of you. A,
it's
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, D crossings.
confused.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Manju, you have to make a sentence by using the word. What was that? Overwhelm.
Over.
Overwhelm. And I think Manju already used that word to make a sentence. Right? Hello. Manju,
Hello.
make a sentence by using that word, overwhelm.
Overall meaning, madam. One sentence.
You have to
Means
make a sentence.
extremely stressed. It means
Reading books helps me keep my
Yes, yes, say. Have you forgotten the meaning?
overwhelm.
Yes. My screen is visible to you.
Yes, madam.
You can see here, overwhelm.
I I I am overwhelmed by too many problems.
I am overwhelmed by too many problems. Okay, what kind of problems? Can you say, can you tell me? What kind of problems?
More, madam. I'm many job searchings.
Job searching. Wow, very nice example. Yes, I am overwhelmed uh, because of job searching. Okay,
Yes, madam.
and you can say I am overwhelmed while searching any particular job. Okay, so after Manju, here is alphabetical order Naz. Let's take Naz, okay? Because Naz is Naz 1 and Nasra is Nasra 2. Okay, Nasra comes after Naz. So, Naz, you have to make sentence by using which vocabulary?
sanity.
Reju-
Sorry, rejuvenate.
Rejuvenate. Yes, rejuvenate.
After a good sleep, I feel rejuvenated.
Wow, very nice. After a good sleep or after taking sleep, I feel rejuvenate.
I feel
Or I
rejuvenated.
can also say I rejuvenate myself. After
Nice.
having a good sleep, I rejuvenate myself. Asra, now it's your turn. I think it's sanity.
Sanity.
Yes.
Yeah, it's sanity. Make a sentence by using this word sanity.
I feel sanity to help my mom work.
Say again, I
Yeah.
feel. Yeah, say it again.
I feel sanity to help our no. I feel sanity to help other people.
Wow, very thoughtful. You are such a nice person. Very nice. I feel sanity. Uh, please repeat your sentence again. I feel sanity.
I feel sanity to help other person.
Yeah, I feel sanity to
Other
help
people.
other person. Yeah. Means when you help other person, when you help people, you feel very nice. You feel relaxed. You feel your mind is stable and balanced. That's wonderful. Okay, means very thoughtful person. Good. Okay, after Nasra, who is at last? Here is Shweta. She made that lesson, made that trick to make the sentences, and she came at very last. And the word is for you is
No, no, it's okay.
chuck. It's chuck.
Sure. Sure. I forgot its meaning.
To throw,
Okay.
to throw something, to discard something.
I I check my or feeling or frustration with my friend.
I check my all frustration. Uh, you can say by having
With
a conversation
my
with my
friends.
friend. It will be sound clear. Okay. I
Okay.
check my all frustration with
I
my friend. No,
okay.
means by what source, by what resource you are checking your frustration. So you have to say by conversation.
Conversing
Definitely.
with them.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
I
I
check
check
my
my all
frustration.
frustration.
Okay. I check my all frustration by conversing with my friends.
By
Converse.
conversing, by having a conversation with my friends. By having a
Okay.
conversation with my friends.
I I check my all frustration by having a conversation with my
Hmm. Okay. Now the last is went to. Went to. I would say each and everyone make a sentence by went to and tell me quickly. It is
Went
for